Keep your matte acrylic freestanding bathtub looking new with this simple step-by-step guide. You'll need a magic eraser, rubber gloves, and a soft, clean towel or microfiber cloth. Follow these 4 easy steps to remove stubborn stains and scratches. Step 1. Wet the magic eraser. Dampen the magic eraser with water. Squeeze out excess water to prevent it from dripping and to control the amount of abrasive material used. Step 2. Gently rub the surface. Lightly rub the dampened magic eraser over the surface in a gentle circular motion. Avoid applying too much pressure to prevent scratching or dulling the matte finish. Step 3. Rinse thoroughly. Rinse the bathtub thoroughly with warm water to remove any remaining particles or residues from the magic eraser. Step 4. Dry the tub. Use a soft, clean towel or microfiber cloth to dry the bathtub. This helps to avoid water spots and maintains the appearance of the matte finish. Additional tips. Limit the use of magic erasers to occasional deep cleaning and removal of stains. Regular use can wear down the matte finish over time. For routine cleaning, use a mild, non-abrasive cleaner designed for acrylic surfaces to maintain the matte finish without causing damage. Following these steps will help maintain the appearance and longevity of your matte acrylic freestanding tub.